kids! How are you today? Are you ready to learn English with Miss Susie? Okay, let's go. Let's learn together. Right now, we are going to learn about math. Repeat after me, please. Math. Do you still remember counting 1 until 5? Still remember? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's right. Let's count by adding. Plus, and equals to. Ready? 1 plus 1 equals to 1, 2. 2. Let's read together. 1 plus 1 equals to 2. 1 plus 2 equals to 1, 2, 3. 3. 1 plus 2 equals to 3. 2 plus 2 1, 2, 3, 4 equals to 4. That's right. 2 plus 2 equals to 4. One more time. 2 plus 3 equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. 2 plus 3 equals to 5. Right now, I am accompanied by, what's your name? Alim. Okay, we will play guessing game by using this fruit. The name is rambutan. 1 rambutan plus 1 rambutan equals to 2. That's right. Next, 1 rambutan plus 2 rambutan equals to 3. That's right. Next, 2 rambutan plus 2 rambutan equals to
5.
Yes, that's right. One more time, Alim. 2 rambutan plus 3 rambutan equals to
5.
Yes, that's right. Thank you very much. Good job, Alim. Next, we come to the second game. I will ask question to count this rambutan, and Alim, you have to write down the answer. Understand?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Let's go. 1 rambutan plus 2 rambutan equals to. Show your answer. 3. Number 2. 2 rambutan plus 2 rambutan equals to 4. That's right. Next question. 2 rambutan plus 3 rambutan equals to 5. Yes, that's right. 1 rambutan plus 2 rambutan equals to 3. Yes. 1 rambutan plus 1 rambutan equals to 2. Okay, good job, Alim. Good job. Thank you very much. Okay, that's all our math learning today, kids. Is it easy, right? Yes! Thank you very much for your attention. See you next time. Bye bye.